suppose the one that strikes me, and this comes from it's twofold here, as working as an ambassador for HAF, especially the Hubb Foundation, and also my role as a deputy head teacher, my former role, was a lot of children, there are things out there available for children on free school meals, but there is still, with certain elements of the community, like a social stigma, you know, but don't let that hold you back. It's there, it's something you're entitled to. And I know there's lots of people say, I'd love to do that, but oh no, I don't really want, it's not for me. And I know it's the stigma about accepting that you're on free school meals, but yeah, just get over that initial feeling that people will be judged, because when you hear the experience the children have is phenomenal. They're happy, they're laughing, and they get fed. It's just brilliant. But they get fed in lots of ways. They get fed with food, but they get enriched with activities, with sports, with friendship, a whole host of stuff that really, really gets it. And I think from another point is children experiencing the arts. And I keep going on about, as a little boy from a council estate, I didn't experience the arts as growing up. But for the painters, the poets, the writers, the actors, there's lots out there. And some of our greatest actors in this country are from council estates, from single parent families. And there's lots of children out there that have got, that's what we're fantastic at. We're the country that we produce Shakespeare and Paul McCartney and Adele and great actors. And at the HAF programme are full of little people like that. And I think these sort of opportunities give them a doorway, give them a portal to a brighter and better world. So yeah, that's my thoughts anyway.